You're looking at a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck Foundation Series. Dual motor, all electric, with 12,000 miles. Comes fully loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, the funky wheels, full self-driving, fully paid for, premium connectivity, it's grandfathered. It's got every option available. Power frunk, adaptive air suspension. So the full factory warranty. Front trunk storage. Man, I just said that. 220 outlets in the rear. 110 volt outlets as well. All weather mats, full power options, heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Got it all over here. Heated wiper, windshield. Adjustable drive heights. Power tonneau cover. Adjustable drive modes. Towing package, obviously. Full self-driving. Hardware 4. CCS enabled. Premium audio. Just a nice clean car. Fingerprint magnet in the screen in the back. Sorry, fingerprint magnet. Every time I touch it, it's like a fridge. Your fingerprints are just there. One of the coolest cars on the road. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.